Here's how you send out missing assignment emails to parents and/or students in Infinite Campus. You have to be in the Instruction tab, and you have to go down to Message Center, then click on New. Once you're there, you select the message type, which is Missing Assignment Message. You load the template, and you go down. You do not need to select the user or user group, determine how you want to send it in their Infinite Campus inbox. I always do the inbox and email. I normally just send it the same time, but you can send it a different date and time if you'd like. It has your sender's email. It already has missing assignment. Sometimes I add Peacock to that so they know that it's from me. Do not change these boxes. This is how the system pulls and merges information from the assignment list. It will, in the parent's email, list all the assignments that are missing by name, and I believe it might have the date on it as well. You can actually type in between here or at the end of here, but just don't change these fields. Then click Next. Who's going to get it? Specific students, all students. I always have all. Pick which one class. It will not allow you to do multiple. If you're doing standard-based grading, you actually have to pick the standards that you want. I always select all. I also allow repeat messages because I hound parents. That's not exactly true, but I'd like to remind parents that their child still has missing assignments and what they are, so they know exactly what they are. Then I press Next. It will show how many recipients, and then I can review them if I'd like, and that sometimes is good because some parents do not have emails. Then I can call them and ask them to put an email in Infinite Campus and explain it to them. Then I press Send. That's it.